We are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can hide photos in OnePlus phone. So to start, let's open the Photos application, then select the pictures or perhaps videos that you would like to conceal. Then at this bottom toolbar, opt for the hide option. As you can see, those pictures were successfully moved to the hidden album, which you can now access by touching and holding at this bar over here. Then you gotta enter your privacy password in order to access the hidden folder, and here all of the photos or videos that you hide, or well, hid rather. You can add some new or hide some new photos even from here by tapping at this plus sign, selecting what items you would like to hide, and then tapping at the set as private option. Alrighty, so that would be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.